Do you know how to properly update your Home Assistant OS installation to the latest version as safe as possible? Do you know how to avoid potential problems with breaking changes in a quick and reliable way? Actually, there is a quick little trick that I also didn't know about until very recently. And now I'm about to show you this trick, so stay tuned! What's up, KPeyanski is here. It is time to start updating Home Assistant the right way. I will show you how to install and use Check Home Assistant configuration add-on so you won't end up your Home Assistant updates with banging your head against the wall because you're not reading the release notes or breaking changes. The Check Home Assistant configuration add-on will verify whether your configuration files are valid against the newest version of Home Assistant before you actually update your Home Assistant installation. Of course, prior to the update, it is always a good idea to make a backup and to download or move to another host the backup file, so you can always roll back to the previous version if something unpredicted happens during the Home Assistant update. When you have your backup ready, we can install the Check Home Assistant configuration add-on. Open your Home Assistant installation and click on the Supervisor menu, Add-on Store, and search for Check Home Assistant configuration add-on. Click on it and hit install. The Check Home Assistant configuration add-on is installed. Let's start it now and see the results. After the installation has finished, go to Configuration tab and make sure that the version here is latest. That means that the add-on will verify your configuration against the latest Home Assistant release. Go back to Info tab and click on Start. When the Check Home Assistant configuration add-on started, go to Lock tab and you can hit refresh several times, and as the info here is saying, please be patient, this might take a few minutes. Hey, if you're new here, consider subscribing. Now let's continue. While you're waiting, you can read the other labels like these two. Don't worry, this temporary installation is not overwriting your current one and then installing Home Assistant latest. Hit refresh from time to time and you see the progress. Installed Home Assistant, the latest version at the time of shooting this video, making a copy of your configuration for checking your configuration against this version, and so on.
One eternity later.
After several minutes, I'll hit refresh again. If the log ends with no error found, it means that all checks of your configuration against a specified Home Assistant version are passed successfully. And as you can see from this label right here, configuration check finished and no error was found, which is great, and that means I can safely update to the latest Home Assistant version without any worries that there will be any breaking changes that will corrupt my installation. If that is your case as well and you have created a backup already, then you can freely start the update procedure. For the actual Home Assistant update, you can use the Home Assistant UI or the command line interface. Using the UI is much easier, but using CLI or command line interface gives you more options and flexibility. I will show you both ways. Let's first see how to update the Home Assistant using the user interface or UI. To update the Home Assistant using the user interface, I'll go to Supervisor and I'll just hit Update. I'll make a backup before update, so I'll leave this switch on and I'll just hit Update again. Now I have to wait a few minutes. This time can vary depending on the size of your Home Assistant installation. The backup procedure has finished and now the script is updating Home Assistant core to the latest version, which is this one at the time of shooting this video.
2000 years later.
After the update procedure is finished as well, the Home Assistant will auto-restart and you can see your current version from Supervisor System here actually, and the latest version below that. Both versions are exactly the same. That means I'm with the latest Home Assistant release, but what if I want to downgrade a little bit. For example, if I want to downgrade to 2021.9.5. With CLI or command line interface, you can set a specific version that you wish to install. This could be very handy if, for example, the latest Home Assistant is having some nasty bug or something like that, and you want to downgrade to the previous release. To update Home Assistant using the command line interface or CLI, you need to attach a keyboard and a screen to your device where Home Assistant is installed, or to install Terminal and SSH add-on. To install it, just go to Supervisor, Add-on Store and search for Terminal and SSH add-on, and then install and start it. Just go to Supervisor, Add-on Store and search for Terminal and SSH, click Install and wait for the installation to finish.
1 minute later.
After the installation is ready, click on the Start button, open Web UI. If you see this, you just have to wait a bit and try again. I'm ready. This is the command line interface where I can execute Home Assistant core commands like this one, core update. This will update my Home Assistant to the latest version. As you can see, I received an error because I'm already with the latest one. But what if I want to downgrade to specific version? I'll use the same command again, but this time I'll add version and the exact version number as well. This will downgrade my installation to this 2021.9.5, and now I have to wait again. After all, it doesn't really matter how exactly you update your Home Assistant installation as long as you have a backup and you use the Check Home Assistant configuration add-on to check for eventual problems before the actual update. As I said earlier, I discovered the Check Home Assistant configuration add-on very recently, but I really like it, and since then I'm always trying to use it before any Home Assistant update. If that info was useful to you and you like it, do not hesitate to smash the like button for the YouTube algorithm, and don't forget to subscribe for my channel with the notification bell if you haven't done that already. If you want to see another video of mine, check for example this tutorial about how to add a $4 Xiaomi temperature and humidity sensor in Home Assistant, or any of my playlists. Follow me on Twitter, join my Discord server, stay safe, and remember, home smart but not hard. I'm Kirill and I'm done speaking.